Ooh, fishing for some sluts. Got a big one. I got a big one. I got a big slut on the line right now. Hold on, let me measure this one. Oh. Oh. Oh, I got a big one now. Oh. Oh. Got off.
The fuck is crocodile dirty going?
Hey. Turned off for what? Two of them. Oh, damn it. Oh, I got a big one. Slut on. Wow, you're a big one. You're the biggest slut. Oh my god. I caught you. I caught you. Hold on, we gotta measure her. Gotta measure her slut gauge. Whoa, off the charts. Ah ha ha. Yeah. Oh my god, 2 in a row. Hey, you wanna go fishing with me? Oh my god, I think we got a manatee. We got a manatee on this time. She's jamming out? What in the world? She must be on 2 drugs at once. Oh my gosh, she's here. You're tripping. What are you on? Wow. Oh my god. We got a beautiful bass here. Just kidding. Big old bass slut. Yeah, you heard me. Holy crap. Slut on. This is not real. You are not fake. I caught you. How's the pair, or whatever that is? Damn. I was fishing for some sluts, but, you know, you're not one of them. You might be. Wow, you're jacked. Oh my god, we got one. Slut on. We have slut on. Where's my measuring tape? It's a big one. One of the biggest of all time. Off the charts. Wait. That's how big she is. Biggest slut. She's on scale from 9 to 10, or from what, 0 to 10. You're a 9, a slut. Hey, you wanna go fishing? Fishing for sluts over here. A few, you know, a few. Oh baby, I think I found me a sloot. Fish on! I got you! I got. Damn! I think I got me a. Damn! We got a slut. We got one finally. Finally. She's a big one. She's a hefty one. Wait, no. She probably doesn't weigh very much.